Guru is just going to do a little demo here of editing a page in WordPress. We're using WordPress 3.6.2 at this point. It looks like we've actually got an update to 3.7 that just came up today. We are using the My Site My Way framework on this particular site, and I'm just going to go through editing a page. So you click on Pages here, or All Pages. And you can see any of the pages that you need to work on. So I'm just going to do, how about this Get Involved page? Click on that. Brings up basically a WYSIWYG editor. So any of this stuff is just like editing in Microsoft Word. You highlight the stuff. You've got headings here. This is the predetermined format for what it's going to look like. So this is a heading 3 or an H3 tag. That's going to make it a certain size and shape on the front. If we click View Page here, I'm just going to open this up in another tab, and we'll see that's already predetermined what size that is there. So you can also see then the rest of the text is just as easy as typing 1, 2, 3 right there. If you want to put in a link like this link to the wall, I'm just going to do the word commitment here. I click this little link guy there, and then you'll see any of the other pages, or I can look up a particular page. So let's just look at the wall. I'm getting some other ones. Women's Warrior Wall. You'll see them right there. If you just click on that, that's going to automatically bring in the link, or I can type in an HTML link there as well. I'm just going to cancel that. Some other helpful things you'll see down here. This was a thing for adding a thing for tweeting. That's actually one of the short codes that comes from the short code generator right here. It's part of the My Site My Way framework. Fancy buttons, links, boxes, and then when you pick one of these, that's like a social thing that we did. So I picked Twitter. It walks you through basically everything you need to answer. When you're done, you hit enter shortcode, and it's going to drop the shortcode right in there. So in this case, this is going to tweet out this I pledge to be porn free, and the URL. It's going to bring you back here. So it's just a way of getting that information out there. If what else can we edit on here? So you've got your normal stuff. You can make this you can make a bulleted list, or this is a numbered list. Could just as easily change this to a bulleted list. Highlight it all. Change it to bullets. Change it back to numbers. Bold, italic. You've got your left, right, center of lines. This is a more tag. We don't really need to worry about that. You can change colors of text in here a little bit. We don't suggest doing a whole lot of that because we do control all that with the CSS for the entire thing. And that's about it for this. These are some other tools for specifically for plugins that we're using. This shows a little bit more of the options. This will just get rid of everything around it, so it's a little bit easier if you're just writing or blogging. If you're making a new page, you want to pay attention to where it is, what template you're using. If it's got a parent page, there's a sub page. See, that was the short code. This determines the layout of the page, so no sidebars. Sidebar on the left, sidebar on the right. We can change custom backgrounds for a page. We can do a particular sidebar for each page. We can do custom sidebars, so the sidebars don't have to be the same throughout the site. The intro, that's the image we've got at the top. Some SEO stuff, and know that all revisions are always saved, so you can always jump back to an old revision. So, and then finally, page links to this is if we're not actually going to have a page here, if something in the menu jumps to another location. So that's basically editing a page. I'm going to stop with that, and we'll do another video on another section.